In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share an Instagram post on your Instagram story. So for some of you, this might not work for some weird reason. There's a glitch, but however, if that happens to you, I recommend clicking on the video in the card. But for now, let's get into the part where I show you how you can do this. It's actually quite simple. All you want to do is find a post that you want to do this with. So I just put up a random post. And next up, you want to click on the DM icon. So click right there. Next up, click on add post to your story. And that's pretty much what you need to do. Now next up, you can tap on this for more. So you can actually change these different layouts. They have two available as of right now. That looks like this or like this. Now you can still customize the background colors and all of that if you want to by doing this. I'm pretty sure that if you hold it, yes, there you go. But that's how you can share a post on Instagram. Now like I said, if this is not showing up like this add post to your story, then your account has a glitch. And click on the video in the card if you want to fix that. I found a way that seems to that seems to work for a lot of people. Still not for everyone, but hopefully that will help you out. But yeah, that's how you can do this. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.